So it's a beautiful day outside, as you can see, and right now I'm gonna work on E46 more, and the goal is to basically prep the quarter panels and front fenders and get them paint ready, primer ready, and hood. I need to get the hood primed because it's, if you look at it, it has like weird marks, like it was painted but it wasn't like prepped right. So I need to do that and then maybe I'll put some filler on the rear bumper, on these sides right here. I installed this thing off camera real quick, just threw it on with a couple bolts underneath, so that's looking great. But yeah, there's a dent right here, and I need to prep it basically like till this line maybe. I don't know, we'll see as I go. But yeah, this is the goal. Finish it up, 180 grit the whole thing, take some paint off, 180 the whole thing, and get it ready for primer. Alright guys, so the back is prepped for primer. I scuffed it with 180 grit all the way around to the body line. I have some pinholes that I found, some body damage that I found, glazed over top and ready to be smoothed out. But this is the last thing. Now I'm gonna blow it off, wipe it down quick, and basically the car is ready to be primered. And now back to the front fenders. I need to buy more of that fiberglass body filler, and basically fiberglass stuff like this on the inside. You see how originally they were like kind of out, and I basically, what I did, I just bent them flat and 90 degrees this way. So this way it's gonna basically gonna be a little bit higher and wheel won't hit it. And then I'm gonna quick turn the car around and basically think of some kind of brackets or something to basically bolt it on so it's not flappy, and see what I can basically come up with. Alright guys, so I went over with 80 grit and then 180 grit, and there's some imperfections in the hood, like right here. If I put this thing in here, you can tell it's a little bit, it was hit. You can tell it was hit, so it's not perfect. So I'm gonna fill that, and there's a couple dents right here, like slight dents. So I'm just gonna quick fill them and make sure it's nice and straight. Other than that, hood was actually pretty good. It was not bent or damaged at all, so I'm pretty happy with the hood so far. And also the front fenders, this wasn't blocked off, so I bought this fiberglass filler and just filled a bunch in there, fill it here, push that all in there and make sure it's nice and tight and sealed all the way around. So I'm gonna need to sand that yet and put some in here later. But right now, quick, put some body filler. Oh, And on the back, I did added some filler over here because there was a bunch of pinholes in fiberglass that I missed. So all I need to do is just sand this down flat. So it's not a big deal. It will be super quick. And all the way over here. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the hood. Alright guys, so a quick update. Hood is done. You can see the low spots that I fixed. This side was good. I fixed this little thing right here. This is all done. I just took care of some pinholes that I saw. This is nice and sanded. So is this fender. So now, next step would be taking a Scotch-Brite, which is this thing, and going everywhere on the inside of the fender, just all the way around here. I did a little bit more on the back, all the way around. Sorry, it's like pitch black outside, but they are done. I still need to find those pieces and put them in and see how they fit. And yeah, so yeah, next step would be taking this fiberglass green stuff and basically filling all of this and making it nice and pretty and strong. So I'm gonna do that next. It's next night. So just sanded those flat, so it looks really nice, nice and smooth all the way around, same as here. So basically these panels are almost ready. I was debating if I want to delete this, and I think I will. I think I'm gonna mix up some fiberglass real quick and quickly off camera delete this, because they are honestly, there's no way I can put turn signal in there, and I don't think I really need to, so I'm just gonna delete them quick. And I need to think something to do with this yet, but I actually went ahead and I got some expanding foam, and I think I'm gonna use it to fill areas like that and all the way around, just so there's like no dirt and crap. Same thing is in those. So I'm gonna try this, and I guess we'll see how it goes. But yeah, right now I'm gonna quickly mix up some fiberglass and just delete these inserts for turn signals. Okay, so I added a bunch of fiberglass on those things. While it's drying, I am going to assemble the front end a little bit. I'm just gonna put headlights in, because I am driving this car to a paint room. I actually rented it out. I rented it, and they told me I can come and paint it on Friday. So Friday is going to be a primer day. So I need to make it roadworthy. I need to put headlights on and taillights back in. Probably like really lightly, so I can just pull them off. Honestly, that's going to be it. I'm just going to put taillights in, headlights in. I'm just going to drive it like that. It's about 10 miles away from my home. So I have to do as less disassembly as I can out there. Probably gonna have to mask it, but it's gonna be later anyway. We're gonna drive it without fenders. I'm just gonna put them inside the car, so I don't have to bolt them on and bolt it back off. So I'm gonna drive it just like this. So headlights and turn signals are in, which is the main thing. So I'm legal on the highway, and she's basically ready. When I get there, I'm gonna wipe it down again with wax and grease remover and get it nice and ready for primer.
Okay.
Alright, so we're actually finally going to primer the quarter panels and front fenders. Well, we're kind of driving it as a skeleton, like no fenders, no bumpers. And I hope nothing falls off or I get pulled over. I mean, car is fully legal besides inspection, which is in PA state, you gotta have a state inspection. Alright, so we made it. Car is in the paint room. Right now we're gonna quickly just wrap the stuff that we don't wanna paint. My brother is helping me scuff the front fenders. There's another one. And hopefully there's no more pinholes big enough for primer not to fill. And we're gonna prime it quick right now. Basically, we're just gonna put clear plastic all the way around, like from the back to the front of the car, and then kind of wrap it. But yeah. Alright, so the fenders are painted, primed, and the car too, all the way underneath, and also hood is primed too. So it turned out really nice, except pinholes that I couldn't see before primer, so I'm gonna have to go back and fill them. For example, like all those little ones. So I need to fill those, and there's a bunch of small ones, but I couldn't see them without primer, so I'm glad I did prime it. Probably gonna have to fill them again and then prime again, maybe a couple times even, but yeah, it's finished. Guys, so yeah, there you go. The car's painted. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of some sanding and priming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.